In today's video, I'm going to show you how to protect your website with Jetpack, a powerful plugin that not only enhances security, but also boosts performance and keeps your site running smoothly. Whether you're a blogger, business owner, or developer, Jetpack offers a suite of tools designed to defend your website from threats like malware, brute force attacks, and even spam. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through setting up Jetpack, configuring its key security features, and ensuring that your website stays safe 24/7. Before we jump into this step-by-step installation and configuration walkthrough, let's take a quick moment to understand what Jetpack is and why it's such an essential tool for protecting your website and what key benefits it actually brings to the table. Now, Jetpack is more than just a plugin. It's an all-in-one security and performance suite designed specifically for WordPress websites. At its core, Jetpack helps safeguard your website from a range of threats, including malware, brute force attacks, and spam, while also boosting site performance and uptime. Jetpack works smoothly with WordPress.com, and it helps keep your website safe and running smoothly. It watches your site for downtime and backs up your content automatically, so you don't have to stress about losing important data. Whether you're sharing personal stories or running a business, Jetpack protects your site from hackers and other online threats, so that way you can focus on what really matters, creating great content. One of the standout advantages of Jetpack is its layered security approach. It includes modules like brute force attack protection, which prevents unauthorized login attempts, and secure sign-in, which reinforces your login process with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Jetpack also incorporates automated malware scanning and file repair, which continuously check your site for malicious code and fix any issues before they escalate. Ever had a random comment pop up on your blog that made no sense, or worse, try to get you to click on a sketchy link? That, my friend, is a spam comment, and Jetpack stops it before it even shows up on your website. Let's say you run an online store and someone fills out your contact form with fake info or scam links. Jetpack's spam filter, powered by Akismet, catches those before they land in your inbox. It's like having a security guard for your website, making sure only real visitors and customers get through while blocking out anything suspicious. Beyond security, Jetpack offers several additional benefits that enhance your overall site management experience. For instance, its downtime monitoring ensures that you are immediately alerted if your site goes offline, allowing you to address issues promptly and minimize disruption. The backup and restore features available on premium plans also let you recover quickly from data loss or even cyber attacks. Jetpack's performance enhancements, such as image optimization through its Photon module, helps your site load faster, which is crucial for both user experience and search engine optimization. Imagine you just published a new blog post or launched a product page, but you're not sure if people are actually seeing it. With Jetpack site stats, you can check now how many visitors you are getting and where they're even coming from in the first place. You can also see which pages they're clicking on the most. For example, if you notice a spike in traffic after sharing a post to social media, you'll know it's worth posting more often. Or if one of your pages isn't getting much attention, you can tweak the content or promote it differently. It's like having a dashboard that shows exactly what's working and what's not, so you can keep improving without having to do any guesswork. Now that we talked about what Jetpack is and some of its features, let's go over how to actually get it on your WordPress website in the first place. The best way to get started with Jetpack is by using the link down in the description. When you click that link, you'll be brought to a page that looks like this. As you can see, this is Jetpack's hero page, and they say that they guard your website and that it's the ultimate toolkit for best-in-class websites. All we have to do to get started with them is hit this green complete your site button. Once we hit that button, it will take us to the checkout page. Now, the big step here, this is going to be for Jetpack's yearly plan, which is going to give us a massive discount. And that's one of the biggest benefits about using the link down in the description, is that you're going to get $300 off the plan that you choose. As you can see, we're getting $300 off of their introductory offer for their 1-year plan. And this gives us access to some really amazing, crazy features here, like the Akismet anti-spam features, WordPress backup, site search, social, scan, video press, boost, CRM entrepreneur, AI assistant, stats, newsletter, and so many more. Also, one of the other big benefits about Jetpack is that they offer a 14-day money-back guarantee, meaning that if you have any questions or issues, you can just simply ask for your money back and they'll give it to you. As you can see here, we're going to be saving 20% too if we pay for 2 years on top of this, but if you just want to get started with their basic plan, it's only going to be about $299.40. We'll simply enter in our billing information, select the country that we're in, continue to our payment information, and then once all of that's taken care of, we'll hit the Pay Now button. Once you have all this taken care of, you can then start by installing this plugin on your WordPress website. The next step here is going to your WordPress dashboard. You want to do this by logging into your admin area and navigating to the plugin section on the left-hand menu. Click the Add New button, and in the search bar, type in Jetpack. Or if you're already on the Jetpack website, you can link WordPress directly from that account. Once the plugin appears in the search results, you can click the Install Now button. The installation should complete within a matter of seconds. Once installed, click the Activate button to enable Jetpack onto your website. Immediately Immediately after activation, you'll be prompted to connect Jetpack to your WordPress.com account. If you already have an account, you can simply log in. And if not, Jetpack will guide you through the process of creating one. This connection is essential because many of Jetpack's features, including security monitoring, backup, and performance enhancements, are powered by the WordPress.com infrastructure. You can follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup, and once you're done, Jetpack will be integrated with your website and ready to start protecting your content. Now, one of the other big considerations you want to do is configure your basic security settings. With Jetpack activated, the next step is to configure its core security modules. You can head over to Jetpack's dashboard within your WordPress admin panel, where you'll see a list of available modules. You can begin by enabling the brute force attack protection module. This tool is crucial as it helps defend your site from repeated login attempts by malicious actors. Simply toggle it on and Jetpack will automatically start monitoring and blocking suspicious login activity. Up next, you can enable the secure sign-in feature. This module reinforces your site's login process by encouraging strong passwords and even offering two-factor authentication. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra step for anyone who's trying to gain unauthorized access, which basically drastically reduces the risk of account compromises. Additionally, you can also activate the downtime monitoring module. And this feature continuously checks your site's availability and send alerts if your website goes offline for any reason, allowing you to take quick action and minimize any potential downtime. There's also the option of activating advanced malware and file scanning. Within the Jetpack security settings, look for the automated malware scanning and file repair option. When activated, Jetpack will periodically scan your website's files for any signs of malicious code or unexpected changes. If it detects any issues, the system will attempt to repair the affected files automatically, restoring them to their original state in the first place. This proactive approach helps keep your site secure without requiring manual intervention, which is especially valuable if you don't have the time or technical expertise to constantly monitor file integrity. There's also the option of enabling spam protection. Spam, of course, can be a huge headache for any website owner, as it clutters up comment sections and contact forms. Thanks to Akismet, which is a direct plugin inside of Jetpack, you can actually filter out these spam comments in the first place. Once enabled, Jetpack will automatically analyze incoming comments and form submissions, filtering out those that appear to be spam based on a combination of historical data and advanced heuristics inside of its algorithm. This not only keeps your site looking professional, but also prevents potential security risks that can come from malicious links. There's also configuring backup and recovery options. For those who opt for one of Jetpack's premium plans, the backup features offers an additional layer of security. With regular automated backups of your website, you can rest assured knowing that your data is safe, even in the event of a security breach or accidental deletion. In the Jetpack settings, you can navigate to the backup section and choose your backup schedule, whether daily or real-time depending on your plan that you have. You can set up notifications so you're immediately alerted if a backup fails or if there's any unusual activity that might indicate that there's an issue. This ensures that you can restore your site to a previous state quickly, minimizing downtime in any of the data that's lost. And another essential part of using Jetpack is configuring its notification settings, especially to keep you informed about your site's security status. Within the Jetpack dashboard, you can go over to the notifications area where you can set up email alerts or mobile notifications. You can customize the frequency and type of alerts that you receive, whether it's for downtime events, security breaches, or new spam attempts. Tailoring these notifications to your preferences ensures that you're always in the loop, allowing you to take prompt action whenever it's deemed necessary. I also really quickly want to touch on pricing. They have a bunch of different plans that you can choose from, and they also have even plug and play options, so that way you get exactly what you need, no more or no less. They have three main plans that you can choose from: a security plan, a growth plan, and the complete plan. The security plan is about $9.95 a month. Their growth plan is about $9.95 a month, and their complete plan is about $24.95 a month. The complete plan basically gives you every single option and fully unlocks Jetpack's full capabilities. Their growth plan is meant more for people who already have an audience or already have some kind of pre-built out website that's actually currently making things and actually has people visiting it and has a decent amount of traffic. And then their security plan is for people who are just kind of dipping their toes in, but are mostly concerned with the actual security of the website. As you can see down here too, they have their individual products. If you don't want to go with either of those plans and you just want a specific tool from the Jetpack suite, you can select which of those tools you want to go with, and you simply can get that tool. You don't have to pay for anything else or anything extra. You can get exactly what you want with this specific price structure. As you can see, they have really helpful tools like their artificial intelligence option, their WordPress backup, their scan option, the boost option, social option, Akismet anti-spam, their CRM entrepreneur, video press, search, and even their stats option. They also offer a 14-day money-back guarantee, so if you have any issues, you can get your money back with no questions asked. But other than that, that's pretty much everything you need to know about Jetpack. If you guys want to get started with Jetpack, make sure you use that link down in the description. Also keep in mind that that link is an affiliate link and we do financially benefit from it, and it goes directly towards making more videos like this one so we can help keep your guys' website secure. So make sure you use that link, and thank you in advance for your support. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, but I'll see you in the next one.